Here we got a 1934 Chevy Cabaret. Cabaret. A late model motor in it. Kind of looks like, it almost reminds me of an ocean theme with the way it's like an aqua blue. The flames are almost like an ocean sunset with the purple. It just reminds you of something screams California about this car, man. You know? It does. And nice comfortable seats in there, man. A lot better than the freaking seats that came in this car, that's for sure. Drive it around, man. Automatic. A lot of room in the trunk there too. It's a beautiful flame job. It really does scream California all the way. It really does, because something about the color combination reminds you of the ocean and the sunset. But we're in Florida right now, so close enough.